In today's video, we're going to be talking about how we can eliminate either rug pull or scam from the meme coin community. So in the era of the meme coin, alright, every coins that moon 100 collapse into rugs or scams. Now, this pain is very real and every degen has actually felt it. Now, recently we had the platform called Liberlaunch Labs, which comes to change every single thing for everybody. And you're basically going to be getting access to this Liberlaunch Labs. Now, it's going to help you to do scanning, all right? That's scanning of your contract address and also exposing risk instantly, reviewing red flags before they even get to wreck your wallet. And also, Liberlaunch Labs turns your hour of research into seconds. Now, most people are actually going to be asking, what is Liberlaunch Lab? So Liberlaunch Lab is a next generation launchpad for meme coins, alright, created the safest space for meme coin community or in the meme coin market, alright, that wipes rug pull for goods, alright, and majorly they are here to purge meme coin market to trash coins, like restore trust into the meme coin and also bring value into the community for the lasting digit assets. Here are some of the features that you're basically going to be experiencing in the Liberlaunch Labs community. Basically, we have DAO voting, alright? So projects seeking for launch on the platform must obtain community approval. And aside that, we also have the staking option. Now, you can see right here, staking tokens to earn rewards, alright, unlock exclusive launchpad access, and also participate on the DAO voting. The more you stake, the more power you hold. Now, if you scroll down, you have other options like the universal KYC security layer. All right, so KYC layers that are ensured all launchpad participants and projects are verified. All right, secure, the compliant, and also protecting the platform from fraud while maintaining users' trust. Now, once it comes to liquidity angle, and you can also see right here that they ensure the project, all right, liquidity is automatically locked for a fixed period of time, preventing rug pull and also building investors' trust from day one. All right, so that is something that this particular project is here to do for you. Basically, it's here to safeguard your funds so you don't experience all the whole scams that have actually been going on in the meme coin market anymore. So when it comes to Liberlaunch Lab to basically like help you scan through the token and basically give you information, all right, they have this feature called ScanRug, which you're basically going to be knowing and which you're basically going to be using consistently. Now, the function right here is very simple. You can come over to this button right here where you select the token that you basically want to scan, provide the contact address of that token, like for instance this one right over here, and then you're going to hit on the submit section. Now, this is going to scan through the token and provide you some details information about this token. Now, you're going to be seeing the news icon right over here, and also a Twitter summary, every single thing that you basically need to know, the meme coin right over here, and also the course, all right, and every other single thing, the development and every other single thing, the meme coin, and every single information about them right from here. Now, you can see that this particular information has been submitted for over 4 months, and you can see every single details, all right, team members and everything that is being provided about this is going to be shown right here. You can click on this button right over here and you're going to be getting access to this space. Now, you can check out the meme coins right over here. All you have to do is just to provide the contract address, all right? So this is called build on Galaxy, all right? And you can basically see a researcher pathway also in the news and other information which you basically need to know, and also the team members which are provided below. So here's one of the main reasons why I want to basically teach you guys how to get access to the Liberlaunch Labs. All right, now you can basically get access to their token right from here, and you can see right now this is a final chance for you to buy Liberlaunch Lab, claim the launch. All right, and they are currently in the stage 2, which you can basically, this is about 55% of their target raised so far, which you can also get to see right over here. USDT raised is also provided on this spot right over here, and if you check right over here, you can select to buy this on either Ethereum network, USD1 network, or the BNB network. All depends, all right. And you can also get to select the amount right over here and then click on the connect icon to basically kind of like connect your wallet. All right, now you can also use the desk screener and every other angle to do your own research about them. If you want to get more information, you can click on the Twitter handle to basically check them out and get more information about them. Now if it comes to you basically coming over to your own account to like get their contract address, this is basically the contract token which is also provided. All you basically need to do is just to copy the contract token right over here. You can see the team members are 5%, 40% of development, 20% of staking, and airdrop is about 15%. Exchange liquidity is about 10%, and then the marketing is about 10% as well. All right. So if you are into the meme coin community and you basically want to get involved in the space, you can basically follow each and every other single thing. Now, every single information you basically need to know about this is ready for you. You can see ready to launch, and all the information are all being passed down, which you can basically see they are following their roadmap gradually, and you're going to be getting every single information you need and every other single thing that you basically need. Come to their FAQ and check out some of their frequently asked questions and know more about them. Now currently the token is selling for about 0.00002, and you can basically expect the price to go up to about 0.04. all right, and that's about 200x of early holders from the stage 1, and you can basically get access to this right now. Don't even try and miss this opportunity, because this is totally going to be a big opportunity for you. About total supply of over 100 billion is actually available, and you can see right here that the SEC is listing are coming. All right, so like the Binance and the OKX, Gate and MEX, they are coming up anytime soon. All right, so this particular project is partnering with Gate.io, BitGet, KuCoin, MEX, and other platforms out there to basically help in raising a lot of awareness about this particular token, which means you can easily get access to it. Join Liberlaunch Labs today and make sure that the degen are safe, and also make sure your funds are in good hands. All right, this is going to help you to safeguard your funds in the meme coin community, and if at any point you experience any scam activity, you can also communicate with your customer service, and they are going to help you out as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more updates like this, and I wish you guys all the best.